Hey everyone, it's a new job today. So this vlog is going to be about a conservatory that I'm going to do. There's quite a few issues that I've got to figure out along the way, so let's figure out what we got to do. So we're just going to have a quick look to see what I'm up against today now. Pull the outside. Alright everyone, this is today's job. I've got a ceiling that needs insulated plasterboards going on. I've got a few here. I'll probably have to go and shoot off and get some more in a bit. I've got the walls here to sort out. This wall here is going to be a bit of a fun one. So, as you can see, you know, I've got to knock off some of the reveals and stuff and get it right. And if you look down the line to get it looking straight, it's going to be a bit of fun. But that's here nor there. But I'm going to have, I think there's meant to be some boxing that goes here, so they've got access to their gas. So I'm not sure if I'm meant to be doing that or if somebody else is. More likely it's going to be me, so I'm going to have to come up with a plan for that. I'll have to maybe put a frame in and put some wood on there nicely, and then I can skim to all of that so they have access. Which I'm gonna take this off here. They'll have to put a new sill on top, and then I've got the outside to do. So the outside is pretty simple. Nice dwarf walls. We're going for a stipple finish because they don't want to match the pebble dash. So this is my job. So I've got a fair few days here. First thing I'm going to do today is I'm going to cut these two pieces here and start boarding it. I've got to go and get some more sheets later on. I've got to see if I can find them from somewhere. So hopefully somebody somewhere's got them in stock. But as I said, I've always got the dwarf walls that need boarding as well. I'm also going to have to sort out the box gutter. So I'll have to put some wood here, and then I'll try and fit some wood in here as well, so I've got something to hold on to. Also, when you have box gutters and stuff, you want to make sure you're using the foiled back plasterboard, and this is just so that the moisture doesn't come through, because you do always get bits of moisture when you have metalwork. So that's just another little tip as well. Let's cut this board, and then I should be able to trace it for this side as well, and hopefully the offcut pieces will come into play as well. But let's see how I get on. So I've had a bit of to and fro in today, and I've had to go and chase some plasterboard and stuff. So I've got that ceiling boarded. I've done a bit of filling with some foam just in a few areas. Yeah, it's pretty good now. I'm ready for the morning now. Right, the next day. Right guys, I've been at it this morning, so I've cut all the boards for doing the walls, but I've been busy trying to prep this wall ready. I've had a few issues, so I thought I'd walk you through them and show you what I've had to do. So this had some pebble dash. I think it had like 2 layers, so it'd been overdone, some existing finish, so it was quite thick. So I've had to take all that out, get it back to the brick, put the electrics back in, because I had to change all them. As you can see, I've had to pack all these out as well, just to try and force them in ready, so I can actually get a plasterboard that will go somewhere near the frame. It was actually going to come past here, so that's why I had to take that off. I've taken some of the reveals off here. I've taken the bricks off this. I've got to build a box just here soon, so I'll be doing that in a bit. I've tried to sort out some electrics because I had a wire going straight the way across there that wasn't in an ideal place, so I've managed to move that. I've got all the rubbish to get rid of. I've got a couple of buckets now. I need to go and get a couple more and give all this a bit of a clean now, but I just thought I'd show you what I've been up to. Cheers. Hey everyone, another day. Right, I'm gonna get all this dry line today. That's my plan. Right, we'll go to a time lapse and let's get it on. Hey everyone, so I think this is day 3 of the job. So it's all been boarded and dry lined. So today I'm going to be skimming. Yeah, it's been going all right so far. I need to get the ceiling done today, and I need to scratch the outside. That's sort of like my minimum of today. And then tomorrow I'll finish all the insides. I might try and do a bit of the inside today. I don't know. We'll see how it all goes. ceiling done today. Done my dwarf walls. I need to get a board for there, new sill for there, and I have scratched the outside. Not a bad day. I give it all a clean tomorrow. Right, finished the inside today. I've just had to pack out that area there, and I've just cut a sill. So I'm now just going to chuck all this on, mixed bit. I'll get it on now. Right, that job's now finished. It's all gone pretty well, to be fair. Yeah, I just did the one wall today, but I had to sort out the boxing. It was just a little bit, it wasn't flat enough, straight enough. So I put some packers behind it, got it all level so that they've got a little hatch, so they've got access to their gas. I put a new sill on for them. Yeah. And I've just given it all a good clean, so I'm off now home. I'll be back to do the outside now, hopefully tomorrow. It's a bit rainy at the moment, so there's no point in me taking a chance doing it now. And also the temperature's meant to drop tonight, so I'm going to leave it for another day. Tomorrow's meant to be better, so we'll see how it goes. Right, see you tomorrow. Just to seal it for them. All stippled, just needs a good clean now. And then I need to PVA the floor just to seal it for them. It's getting quite dusty in there when they brush it, so. That's that one finished. Just to see what it looks like. Well guys, that's this job finished. I hope you like this video. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe. I still drop them every Tuesday. Right, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget, like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.